All right, so welcome back from how to import bulk students tutorial, which was our previous tutorial. And this time around, I'm going to show you how to access the add menu form, Now, if you come to my Inilabs folder, I have menu here, which you can use to add menus to your Inilabs school management system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to access this menu. So I right click on it and copy the name, and then I'll remove the dashboard and index and replace menu there, and then hit enter. So this is going to open the menu form for me, but you see that it has redirected me back to my dashboard, which I can't be able, I will not be able to access that folder because there's a command on the form that, or the controller, that anytime somebody tries to access this particular file, redirect the person back to the dashboard. So how do we remove that line, and then we'll be able to access that form? So now this is where we move to another folder. So we'll come back to MVC, and this time around we'll be looking at the controllers folder. So if I go to controllers, let's look for a file here called menu.php. So I'll click on one of the file and press M on my keyboard, then it takes me to the M column, then I'll look for menu, and I have a file here called menu.php. So I'll open that menu, and then in that menu file I have a command here that says that this function construction is the parent construction, and this load the module of menu, which is in another folder, which is called menu under M, which is in a model. So very soon we'll be looking at the modules folder too as well. So they're saying that if somebody is going to access this one, redirect the person back to the dashboard. So the only thing I need to do is to comment this particular file out. So I'll put 2/ to comment it, and I'll save it, and then goes back to my browser to access the menu again. So I'll paste my menu again, then hit on the enter key, and this time around it opens the menu form for me to be able to add the menus that I want to add to what do we call it, to my database. So these are all the menus we have in Inilabs School Management System. You can go through them, you can edit some, you can change their names if you want, you can change their icons, and so forth and so on. So you can also add your own menu. Hit on the add menu button here, and then you are good to go by adding a menu to Inilabs School Management System. And they say the name of the menu, and then the parent menu. Is it going to fall under one of these menu? Is it going to fall under classes, subjects, sections, syllables, or assignments, or whatever it is? So if there's going to be a parent menu, then select that parent menu. If there's no parent menu, then I suggest you leave it blank, and then continue with the link, which is linking to the file, and the icon, and then the priority of it, and then the status, and then the pull right option that you have to fix. So that is how to access the menu form in Inilabs School Management System. So thank you so much, and stay tuned. And if you like my tutorial, keep subscribing to my channel, and then promote the channel for others to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you might remember today, but ask yourself, 3 years to come, will you be able to remember the virus system? So subscription keeps my channel on your page, so that all the time you have the mind that this guy is giving me something to learn. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.